Hi, I'm Chili Phil. Today I'm going to do one from Bravado Spice Company. This one's called Ancho, Masala, Scorpion, and Reaper Hot Sauce. They say it's a super hot sauce, but we'll find out. It has scorpion pepper puree, scorpion pepper, salt, acetic acid, Carolina Reaper pepper puree, Carolina pepper, salt, acetic acid, water, rice, vinegar, red ghost pepper puree, red ghost pepper, chili pepper, salt, roasted garlic, garlic and water, Dude's tomato paste, garam masala, cumin, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger, cloves, and chili powder. This one's going to be really interesting. You can definitely smell the pepper straight forward. And it's real pasty. Yeah, straight pepper forward. Right now I'm coming in at a 2, maybe a 3. For a non-chili head, that'd be like a 7 or 8. This is definitely a good sauce. I would definitely put this on some wings or barbecue chicken, but this stuff is really good. If you're out and about and you see this, pick up a bottle. You're not going to be disappointed. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn.